guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today's video is going to be about the camera, the lens, the lights, my setup, what it looked like. It's literally super small right now at this moment. So all the videos that you've been seeing with this background, well, not necessarily all the way, like y'all haven't really been seeing this, but all the videos with this partially in it is the background that I have right now. So if you're interested in seeing how I get this look, the lighting, the beautiful lighting and all the lenses and all of that stuff, make sure that you keep on watching because I'm going to show y'all. And it's literally super simple. Like, it's nothing major at all. If you got a little time, you could sit and figure it out and see. And I can give y'all information about the stuff that I use. So you can get on your journey to YouTube with better quality for not that much. Cause y'all know these YouTubers be having some expensive stuff. So this kind of budget. My camera was kind of expensive. It was like $700 something. But sis, I got this with taxes. So for everybody else who just out here spending, blowing money fast, like, I ain't doing that. I'm waiting till tax time and I'm really investing in my YouTube channel. So if that's something that you're interested in, again, make sure that you keep on watching. A lot of people are interested in knowing exactly what I film with and what it looks like behind or in front of me, should I say. So this is the camera that I film with. Oops. Okay, hold on. This is the Canon Rebel. Oh, that's new. I didn't know you could do that. Canon Rebel T7i. And the lens that I'm using, this one is a more wider lens. This is the Canon EFS 24mm 2.8 aperture, which is going to give me just a little bit of bokeh, especially from where I am anyway. My position from the camera to the background here, so you can pretty much see my background in the video sometimes. So this is the ring light that I have. Yes, very bright. My best friend bought this for me for my birthday, I believe, and she got it off Amazon, I think for $70. I'm not absolutely sure. So another thing that I should mention to you guys is that I found this little adapter piece on Amazon. Okay. So what it does is, like, basically it goes inside the camera and it's a battery. But you plug it up. So that just saves you the time. Because, you know, sometimes the videos kind of like just stop or whatever because of the battery being dead. So this is like, it'll never stop. This is something good for you to invest in. Like, I don't know the names of all this stuff, so I'll just have it in the description box for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I got another lens. I got a macro lens that I want to show you guys. This is my macro lens. My room is like crazy, so I can't even show y'all what's going on. And this is going to give you major close-up with bokeh in the background too. What is the... Oh, so it's 2.8. So it's basically like this one, but it's very close up. And I'm going to add a shot in here of like my eye so you guys could see the difference with both lenses. I also had a 50mm, which I broke. It's been broke for a while, but it just really broke on me. And I caught myself trying to repair it, but it was stuff in the inside that was broken in the lens, so I couldn't do what I was trying to do. So that was an epic fail. I just want to show you guys my setup station. It looks really bad. So this is what my setup looked like, and usually it's a little bit more put together if I haven't did a video. So I wouldn't even lie. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, act like it just be put together, because it don't. Um, yeah, I'll usually just straighten things up like a little bit, but for the most part, it does look like this. I need to clean my brushes and stuff, but yeah, this is that. So this is another background that you may see in some of my videos. I kind of just like to use like the greenery and like these type of things to really show you guys, you know, different backgrounds. I think that's really cool. And I really like this one for sure, but because my chair is so low, like you wouldn't even be able to see that. So you see how low that is from like here. And I sit on that chair, so my head usually is like somewhere in here. It's not even up here, so you wouldn't see this part. But it's okay because I'm planning to move soon, so that should be less of a problem. But yeah, this is it. So this is pretty much what the lens looked like. The 24mm 2.8 aperture. This is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna also show you guys what my macro lens look like. Macro is more so for me for like close-up shots. I also can use it for like people who are very far away and I want to capture them close up, so that's cool for that too. It actually does a lot that I didn't realize that it did when I bought it initially, but I really do like that lens. It's really good. I'm not sure how much I purchased it for because I got it from a camera place near my house and it was kind of like used or whatnot, so they were selling it and I just purchased it. As I said, my 50mm lens is broken. I would have showed you guys that one, but it's literally like broke. That one was the one that I really loved though because it gave me bokeh in the background, so it's gonna give you the bluer background. It's a little more closer than this one is. It's not as wide though, so I wouldn't have this much space around me. It'll be more so like probably from here to here, something like that. So I do really like that lens though. For now, I'm just gonna borrow someone's until I could purchase another one. That one is pretty affordable though. It's like $100. That's affordable for lenses. Trust me. That's pretty much it. Like that's my setup for it. So basically, that's about it for now. If you guys want to see like my backdrop setup, then that's another video and I can show you guys that as well. I kind of just got this idea to use my phone to do some of the filming so that I could actually give you guys this video. So for anybody who's interested in my film setup, that's literally it. Like it's not necessarily about the camera, it's about the lenses that you use. So if that's something you want to take note on, you definitely want to get you some good lenses. The camera body is always just going to do what it do. But the lenses, that's what's going to give you what you need. I do want to upgrade though because I feel that I'm moving more towards like professional when it comes to like my interest in cameras. So yeah. Because I also do photography and like video stuff outside of like, oh, it looked kind of blurry. I don't know. Wait a minute, sis. Is it blurry though? Yep, I touched the screen. She's shaking the table. As I was saying, I'm moving more so towards professional cameras, and this one is an entry-level camera, so I want that professional look, and that's what I want to go for, obviously. But like I was saying, if you guys are interested in seeing like how I set up with a backdrop and like softbox lights, which I haven't done in a very long time, that's another video. Like it is. And if you are interested in that, then make sure that you like this video so that I know that's something that you want to see. I'm also link videos below of my best videos with like backdrops and stuff like that so you can see the work. So if you're new here, you'll know like, okay, this is what I'm looking for. Like this is like what I want to see a video about. So you guys could just go ahead, look in my description and check that out, and hopefully I could get that up for you guys as soon as possible. So it's up to y'all whether y'all want to see it or not. And if y'all like the video, then that lets me know like, okay, she want to see this or he want to see this. So go ahead, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe as well. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.